guys, I have been anticipating. This is a package from Yesstyle. So I've been influenced with them for a while now, and they mostly do like a lot of makeup giveaways to their influencers. But I'm not really a big makeup person. I'm trying to do better and start wearing makeup, so I went ahead and hopped on the training for that, and I also bought some extra stuff. So let's see what I got. This package doesn't want me to open this package. Everything felt like a pillow in here, so I kept squeezing things. I'm like, did I order a shirt? It felt like a pillow. So I'm excited to get this. I'm looking for my scissors, my handy dandy scissors. Okay, I went back and looked yesterday, and I know I got some nice stuff, so there I have been kind of looking at the baby. I'm gonna recycle it. They wrapped it up. That's why I feel like a pillow. They wrapped this up so many times. Thank you for protecting my stuff. Okay, let's see what we got. We got these. I'm gonna open it up. It's really for like nail art, but I like buying stuff like this to go in my shaker. If you can see that, my shaker. Shoot, can't really see it. I also been wanting some of these for forever. So these, if you guys can see them, I don't know what's up with my camera today. If you guys can see them, they are bees. I'm gonna use them in my resin craft projects, and they're going to go in like some letters. These are some flowers. I always like clear stickers. Maybe you call them transfer stickers. I always like transfer stickers to use them in craft projects. I got some more transfer stickers. I think these are daisies. Also got these. These are so cute. These are some little small stickers. They're also for nails, but I plan on using them in resin projects. I got me some nail painter brushes because I actually want to start back doing my nails. I used to do them a lot, but I haven't done them in a while. And then I got me some fashion studded earrings. I like studded earrings. So I got me some studded earrings. I'm gonna lose all these. Every time I put on a pair of earrings, I lose them. They go into the abyss. So I hope I can keep up with them because I never put them back where I got them from. And I got some more things to go into a shaker thing. If you guys can see that. And this is the influencer product that I got from Yesstyle. I bought this one. I went ahead and hopped on this one when I saw it because I'm like, yeah, of course I'll wear this lip chap. So, or not lip chap, lip gloss. So I was like, of course. It's called Kiss Me For Me by Ice Han. I say Han. I'm not sure. Please forgive me if I'm wrong on that. But I'm going to open it up. It is made in Japan. See if I can get that out of there. You guys talk a little bit. And isn't it nice? And what you do is it's a brush. You gotta take the cap out on and get up.